how to fix invalid authentication codes in GCash. Now, check the code time limit. So GCash codes expire fast, so make sure you enter the code within 5 minutes. If it's too late, request a new one. Now use the latest code only, so don't use old codes. Always enter the most recent one sent to you. Now check mobile signal or internet. So poor signal may delay the code. Turn on airplane mode, then turn it off. Now try again with a better connection. Now restart your phone. So restarting can fix network or app glitches. After restarting, try login again. Now you can clear GCash app cache. So go to phone settings, then apps, then GCash, then storage, and tap clear cache. Then open the GCash app again. And finally, reinstall GCash if needed. If not works, install the app, then download and install it again from Play Store or App Store. And this is how to fix invalid authentication code in GCash. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.